Greetings everyone, I'm pretty excited to share with you this amazing system where you can create an automated spreadsheet based on HTML code that will be automatically converted to PDF or document then can be sent to you or to your user through email. But before, let's have a quick view of the demo. The form is fully customizable. From the settings to the color, small changes are made here. Changing the black into yellow, yellow into green, everything will be automatically converted. You can change the ordering and display system of your form as well. In this example, I'm going with 2 columns, hitting refresh, and here we go. Questions are on the left and the answers are on the right. So let's start setting our form example. And we jump with the first section, which is timestamp, allowing us to know when the form was submitted. No worries, this field is a hidden one. We will then add basic options to your form, and let's start with dropdown. We add a text, and then we add the options according to the dropdown. Here we are adding countries. However, adding them one by one is time consuming. All we need to do here is to join the form to a dynamic list already made as is shown here. Cool things is even when the list will have additional infos or removed ones, it will automatically be updated. Let's set up a text area as an example. Here we are going to let the users put their phone numbers. We shall add then a text saying please add your phone number. We will have to put a format, in this case 999-999-999, and then we add a custom validation. In this case I'm putting a 1 by default because it's another chapter that we're going to see in the future. Then we finish with an error message to let the users know when they do mistakes. We hit refresh, we test, and we validate. We added options in the ratio, but we will check this later since now we are going to see a very interesting option, which is file upload and signature. As usual, we add text to help the user to understand the form, and with file section you can choose which specific format you want to be uploaded, rather audio, video, doc, PDF, etc. Tips: if you want them to upload any file, just leave it blank. Let's have now a look on how the form is looking. Let's see now the conditionals, which is a very tricky tool allowing us to have more control over our form. As an example here, we will let the users upload a document only when they check option A. Let's take another example with which country are you from, and we put the condition Afghanistan. In this case, the signature will only be regarding this option. We hit refresh and we see. Rich HTML are quite interesting when you want to add an external code or embed a Google Maps position. At this example, go to Google Maps, then the wanted position, then copy the HTML code and paste it into the right section of the form. Let's have a look at the dashboard. We are going to manage the answers received by your users. Let's start by filling an example form. We can see here that we got an answer. I can filter the dashboard as I want. According to this example, I'm choosing only countries. If we add another answer, the chart will be automatically get updated as it's showing here. In order to organize your answers, it is recommended to link the Google Drive folder as it is shown here with the user documentation folder. All you need to do is to paste the folder ID. You can as well choose the type document you want to be added to the folder. You can directly convert the answer to an automated document template. Head to Google Docs and create a document from templates. Choose a letter. As an example, make the automated changes according to your form's settings. As an example, name will be replaced by the answers from column 3, which is the names that your users will going to put, and change the signature by the answers from column 15, which is the signatures that your users are going to put. Pay attention to the syntax. Now copy the template ID and paste it into your dashboard. We hit refresh and we have a final test. We add a name, then we upload the file and we put a signature, then we submit the document. We then will automatically receive the automated template that we created, as well as the file will be available on the Documents folder as planned. Thank you again for following us until the end. See you soon.